behind Eleanor, the one and only Miss Ikoy Citroen.
Thanks, Sam. Good evening, everyone. Every sunrise begins long before it reaches the horizon. It is born in darkness, in moments we cannot yet see, until the first rays break through, bringing us warmth, hope, and the promise of a new day. That is the heart of Heliora. This exhibition is inspired by three enduring symbols of nature: the sun, the flowers that instinctively turn toward its light, and the butterfly that emerges only after transformation. Together, they speak of renewal, resilience, and the quiet courage it takes to embrace change. Each painting is an invitation to reflect on our own seasons of becoming. There are moments when we are asked to bloom and to transform, and moments when all we can do is trust that the light will return. Yet through every season, life has a remarkable way of leading us forward. As you move through the collection, I hope you'll see more than flowers. I hope you'll find stories that echo your own and leave with a reminder that, like flowers reaching for the sun and butterflies taking flight for the very first time, we are always capable of beginning again. I would like to express my deepest gratitude to Solera Resort Quezon City, to GM Human Rail, and all the executives who helped me. Thank you for believing in this vision and for entrusting me with the opportunity to transform your hotel into an immersive artistic experience. Your confidence, generosity, and commitment to celebrating the arts made Heliora possible. It has been a privilege to bring this vision to life with you. To Gallery Joaquin, thank you for believing in my work through every chapter of my artistic journey. Your trust, guidance, and unwavering support have shaped so much of what I have become as an artist. And I am deeply, deeply grateful to continue this journey with you. My heartfelt thanks also go to Ginger Gadi, Randy Lazaro, and Blooms by Alan Puy and JP De Jesus for creating installations that you will see downstairs, here, and upstairs that beautifully extend the story of Heliora beyond the canvas. To our event partners and to everyone who worked tirelessly behind the scenes, thank you for your hard work and dedication. Of course, I would like to extend a special mention to Mr. Fonzie Mendoza, whose excellent work and passion have helped propel us to where we are today. This exhibition is a result of a truly remarkable collaboration. To my family, Jeff, Liam, and Laverne, thank you for being my home, my strength, and my greatest source of inspiration. Every milestone becomes more meaningful because I have the privilege of sharing it with you. And finally, to everyone who joined us this evening, thank you for being here. Your presence makes the celebration complete. I hope that as you experience Heliora, you find the peace that speaks to you and serves as a gentle reminder that, like flowers reaching for the sun, we always have the strength to keep growing and to welcome each new dawn with hope. Welcome to Heliora. Enjoy the evening.